Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first video you're seeing of me. So, y'all know that when we're in the bathroom, we're about to do our hair. I am about to put on a Upart wig, my favorite, but this one is a curly one. I haven't done like curly like this in a Upart wig ever, because what am I supposed to do? So I'm gonna blend my hair with this curly Upart wig. This curly Upart is from Alipearl. This is a curly Upart, 24 inches, 180% density. The hair has been washed and air dried, so this is just what it looks like. Real cute. This is the inside. It has clips, of course, some built-in combs on the side. I'm just going to put my hair in a low ponytail. Since this hair is curly, it's going to be really easy to like blend. I don't want too much leave out, actually. I mean, not blend. It's going to be easy for it to like camouflage. You're not going to see no hump. So I'm just going to flip my ponytail up. This is my leave out. Hopefully this works, because my hair is dry, but I am going to use like some foaming lotion. Alright. And I'm just going to put it in a ponytail. Just like this. Okay. Ooh. Like that. This looks crazy. Just hold on. Just hold on. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, what we're gonna do, we need like some of this. Okay. And I'm just gonna start. This is hilarious to me, because what am I even doing? Okay. So I'm gonna take some, this is the only moves I got. So I'm gonna use some of this olive oil foam. And then I'm just gonna twist real tight. But I'm not even gonna twist it all the way down. Or maybe I will. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm twisting the hair. Use my phone. Okay, I think that's good enough. And some hair too. Oh, the other one. Okay, so that's literally all I'm gonna do. And actually, I'm gonna do small sections because I know like super many combs. I gotta put this hair. Again, twisting tight. Okay. Okay, kinda. feel like I should do the parts much smaller also. Okay. I definitely think I should do them smaller. Maybe even braid instead of twist. I think a plait will be better. Yeah, look. It's not, it hasn't been sitting long enough. But y'all see the vision. Y'all see the vision? Okay, these are much smaller, so we're gonna see what these look like. Hopefully the hair isn't all tangled up. Okay, this side is much, gotta do smaller parts. Because this side is cute. Yeah, so I also would probably do more pieces. Like, not just the top of my leave out, but maybe like a row underneath it. Just so it's, you know, more unison. But these twists set a little longer. I think the blend will be perfect because it doesn't get like super tight until you get to the bottom. But yeah. Okay, so this is the second day. I showed you guys this curly wig from Alipearl and how I blended my hair with the wig, and that just didn't satisfy me. So I went back in and I ended up wand curling the wig. Here is the wig. I wand curled this off camera. It only took like maybe 30 minutes. I didn't straighten the hair before wand curling because I like the texture of it. It's the black shirt. You can't see the hair because I have on this black shirt. And I'm just gonna do it this way first. These curls are so cute. Makes me want to wand curl my clip-ins. Alright, and then I just like stretch it out while it's warm so it can like not be tight. And I'm holding it down so it doesn't leave a hump. Okay, next section. And this one, I'm gonna go in this direction. Just gonna pull it a little bit, just so it can be the same length as the other ones. I don't want it to be too short. That's so cute. I hope y'all can see this because why would I wear a black shirt and my hair is dark? I don't know, but I'm so sorry. After I curl my hair, I'll put on a different color shirt so you guys can really see it. And this one will go back. It's my hair sticking up for me. Look at my hair right there. Pull this. I'm just gonna move my hair out of the way like that, and voila, so cute. And I don't have any of my edges out, but oh my god, I love it. Look at that. Look at it. I'm gonna brush it all together. Well, not all together because I like the wands like separated like it is for now. So I'm not gonna comb them out, but I am gonna like brush it down. Grab a brush and kind of like blended it in. And then we'll pull them down like that. Real cute. Real stinking cute. So now I'm just gonna do this side and I'll be right back. But yeah, this is what we're looking like. Super cute. This is the blend on my hair. So since my hair isn't straightened, the texture is perfect. Like, okay. So this is it from the back. These are the curls. I'm definitely like a wand curl girl. I love this, and I haven't had like wands like this in a long time. And the hair is so dark. I didn't dye it. This is the natural color of the hair. It looks black. Honestly, it looks black, but I think it's like a deep, dark 1B-ish. So I was gonna dye this black, but I don't even think I have to. I will be sure to list all of the information on this wig down below, as well as a direct link to the unit that I'm wearing. And I love this. I love these. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.